Okay. Okay, let's get comfortable and easy. Sit comfortably. आराम से बैठ जाते हैं. Let us place our palms on our knees, open to the sky. Spine is straight. Shoulders are rolled up and relaxed. आंखें बंद कर लें. We'll do Om chanting 3 times. 3 बार ओम का जाप करेंगे. Take a deep breath in. Om. Let us bow our heads down, fold our palms together. सर झुकाते हुए नमन मुद्रा में. Let us thank पूज्य गुरुदेव श्री श्री रविशंकर जी, महर्षि पतंजलि, all the Rishi Munis and saints who have given us the gift of yoga. Guru Brahma, Guru Vishnu, Guru Devo Maheshwarah, Guru Sakshat Parabrahma, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha, Tasmai Shri Shri Gurave Namaha, Tasmai Shri Gurave Namaha. Hari Om. Place your palms on your knees, open to the sky. Eyes are closed. We'll begin with energizing pranayam. कपालभाति से शुरू करेंगे. Attention in the navel center, नाभि पे ध्यान. Breathe in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out, in, out. 15 times at your own pace. अपनी गति में करें 15 बार. एंड रिलैक्स, विश्राम करें. This time attention in between the eyebrows, भौं के बीच में ध्यान. Begin कपालभाति प्राणायाम 20 बार करेंगे अपनी गति में. Begin. Breathe in, out and start. एंड रिलैक्स, विश्राम करें. Now place your attention at the top of the head, central portion at the top of the skull. Breathe in, out, in, out. Begin कपालभाति 15 बार करेंगे at your own pace. एंड रिलैक्स, आंखें बंद ही रखें, विश्राम करें. Now we will do some deep breaths. Please follow my instructions. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेंगे, मेरे instructions follow करें. Breathe in, 2, 3, 4. Hold, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 2, 3. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 2, 3. Breathe in. 2, 3, 4. Hold. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Breathe out. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hold. 2, 3. And relax. विश्राम करें. अग्निसार प्राणायाम करेंगे. You may keep your eyes closed and simply listen to the instructions. अग्निसार प्राणायाम सिंपल वाला मैं बताऊंगी. एक लंबी गहरी सांस लेना है और छोड़ने के बाद पूरा खाली हो जाना है. Okay, exhale with your mouth and your nose also. Empty your lungs totally and then hold your breath out. सांस को रोक लेना है. जब आप पूरी तरह खाली हो जाएंगे सांस को रोक लें और पेट को आगे अंदर बाहर हम हिलाएंगे. Okay, we'll move the stomach outside inside. Okay, so breathe in, exhale with the nose, open the mouth, empty your lungs, close the mouth, hold your breath, move your stomach inside, outside. Breathe in, exhale, open your mouth, exhale, empty your lungs, close your mouth, hold your breath, move your stomach inside, outside. Breathe in, exhale, move your stomach inside, outside. Do 3 more rounds at your own pace. अपनी गति में 3 बार करें. Take a deep breath in and open your eyes. Okay, energizing pranayams done. Let's come to the edge of the mat. थोड़ा सा वार्म अप करते हैं सूर्य नमस्कार के साथ. खड़े हो जाएं. Let's come to the edge of the mat. And namaste. 1 exhale. Let's situate. Take 2-3 deep breaths here first. Namaste. 1 exhale. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana, bend back. Exhale, Hasta Padasana, bend forward. Inhale, right leg goes back, right knee on Ardha Chalanasana. Exhale, plank. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Hips are up. Inhale, Bhujangasana. Shoulders are away from the ears. Exhale, Adho Mukha Svanasana. Couple of deep breaths here. Inhale, right foot comes between the palms, left knee is on the mat, look up. एक बार चेक कर लें आपका पाँव. आपके हथेलियों के बीच में होना चाहिए. Foot should be between the palms. Adjust if it's not. Exhale. Hastapadasana. Both the feet together. Forward fold. Bend forward. Inhale. Come up. Bend back. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale. Namaste. Namaste. One exhale. Inhale. Bend back. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale. Hastapadasana. Bend forward. Inhale. Left leg goes back. Left knee is on the mat. Exhale. Dandasana. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Ashtavakra Namaskar. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. Inhale. Left foot comes between the palms. Right knee is on the mat. Look up. Exhale. Hastapadasana. Bend forward. Inhale. Hasta Uttanasana. Bend back. Exhale. Namaste. One exhale. Inhale. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale. Hastapadasana. Bend forward. Inhale. Ashwasanchalana. Right leg. Exhale. Dandasana. High plank. Down, chest down, chin down. Ashtavakra Namaskar. Hips are up. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Shoulders away from the body. Ears. Exhale. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Down dog. Inhale. Right foot comes between the palms. Exhale. Exhale. Both the feet together. Bend forward. And take a deep breath in. Go back. Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale. Namaste. Inhale and exhale. Third round. लंबी गहरी सांस ले. हस्त उत्तानासना. एक्सेल. हस्तपादासन में आगे झुके. इनहेल. राइट लेग. अष्टवक्र अश्वसंचालना. एक्सेल. दंडासना. knees down, chest down, chin down. अष्टवक्र नमस्कार. इनहेल. भुजंगासना. कंधे दूर रहें. कानों के पास न ले जाएं. कंधों को दूर रखें. एक्सेल. ऊर्ध्व मुख श्वानासना. इनहेल. लंबी गहरी सांस. अश्वसंचालना. राइट फुट बिटवीन द पाम्स. एक्सेल. हस्तपादासना. Bend forward. Inhale. Hasta Uttanasana. Bend back. Exhale. Namaste. One exhale. Inhale. Hasta Uttanasana. Bend back. Exhale. Hastapadasana. Bend forward. Inhale. Ashwasanchalana. Left leg goes back. Exhale. Dandasana. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Inhale. Bhujangasana. Exhale. Adho Mukha. Down dog. Inhale. Left foot comes between the palms. Right knee on the mat. Ashwasanchalana. Exhale. Bend forward. Tapadasana. Inhale. Come up. Uttanasana. Exhale. 3 rounds complete. Now we are going to sit in Utkatasana. Chair pose. Chair pose में बैठे. एक बार check करें. Your knees should be behind your toes, and you should be able to see the toes when you look down and look up now. Utkatasana, the chair. Exhale. Straighten your legs. Bend forward. Hastapadasana. Inhale. Place Ardha Uttanasana. Place your palms just between your knees straight. Spine is parallel to the mat. Again, exhale. Bend forward. This time walk or jump into Chaturanga or Ashtavakra Namaskar. आप वॉक करेंगे, आगे झुके, नहीं तो ऊपर अष्टवक्र नमस्कार में आएंगे, ये तो चतुरांगा. The knees and thighs and chest are not touching the mat. Inhale. Up dog. हाथों को सीधा कर ले. Look up. Exhale. Adho Mukha Svanasana. 1. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते रहें. 2, 3, 4, 5, वॉक और जंप, चलें और आप या जंप करें। हस्तपादासना, दोनों पांव हथेलियों के बीच में आगे झुकते हुए। इनहेल, कम अप, हस्त उत्तानासना, बेंड बैक, एक्सेल। Very good. We will do modifications of this Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. What you are doing is Ashtanga Surya Namaskar. Namaste, one exhale. Inhale, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale, Hasta Padasana. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Place your palms just beneath your knees. Look straight. Inhale, come into chair pose. Utkatasana. Inhale, Hastapadasana, straighten your legs. Now place your palms next to your feet. Either walk like this, come into Dandasana and come into Chaturanga Dandasana or Ashtavakra Namaskar, knees down, chest down, chin down, जो भी आपको सुविधा लगे. Inhale, upward dog. हाथों को सीधा कर ले. Try to get your palms closer to your thighs or your waist. Exhale, Urdhva Mukha. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lift your right leg up. Stretch your right leg, hang your head between the shoulders. Now place your right foot between the palms. Come up. Virabhadrasana 1. Keep breathing. लंबी गहरी सांस लो. Inhale and exhale. Virabhadrasana 2. Extend your hands and look towards the right. आपका जो राइट थाई है वो जमीन से पैरेलल होना चाहिए. तो पीछे वाले पैर को आप जितना पीछे लेके जा सकते हैं लेके जाएं. हाँ, एंड एक्सटेंड योर हैंड. इनहेल, विपरीत. दिस इज द वॉरियर, विपरीत वीरभद्रासना. लुक टू योर राइट पाम. दाएं हथेली को देखें, लंबी गहरी सांस लें. Inhale, place your right knee, right elbow on the right knee. Extend your hand up, look towards the left palm. Now extend your hand straight up and place your right palm next to your right foot. Extend your left hand above. And slowly release your palms. Come into Dandasana, plank. Knees down, chest down, chin down. Ashtavakra Namaskar. Inhale. Up dog. हाथों को सीधा करें, ऊपर देखें. Exhale, down dog. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now lift your left leg up. बायां पैर उठा. Stretch. Now place your left foot between the palms. Come up, Virabhadrasana 1. I'm going to show from here. Virabhadrasana 1. Left leg this time. Right leg is totally straight. Left thigh is as parallel to the mat as possible. Look up. Exhale, Virabhadrasana 2. Adjust your right leg. पीछे को अच्छे से adjust करें. Left thigh is parallel to the mat. Exhale. Breathe Virabhadrasana. Look towards the left palm. Exhale. Windmill your hands. Place your palms on the mat. Come into Dandasana. Plank. चतुरंगा दंडासन करेंगे या नीज डाउन, चेस्ट डाउन, चिन डाउन, जो भी सुविधा लगे। अष्टवक्र नमस्कार करेंगे। इनहेल अधोमुख, एक्सेल ऊर्ध्वमुख, 5 लंबी गहरी सांसें यहाँ पे। Walk or jump between the palms. Hastapadasana, bend forward. Inhale, उत्कट आसन में आए, chair. And straighten your hands, straighten your legs, bend back, Hasta Uttanasana, exhale. Namaste. Nice. This is a good flow, right? तो ये flow हम एक और बार करते हैं। हाँ, so let's come to the edge of the mat. Namaste. 1, exhale. Inhale, Utkatasana, the chair. Look up. Exhale, bend forward, Hastapadasana. पैरों को सीधा कर ले, आगे झुके. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Place your palms just beneath your knees. Look straight. Inhale, एक और बार आगे झुके, Hastapadasana. Now place your palms next to your feet. Walk or jump into plank. अष्टवक्र नमस्कार कर सकते हैं. Knees down, chest down, chin down, hips are up. Or you can move into Chaturanga Dandasana. Lifting your chest, knees and thighs away from the mat. Elbows are touching the sides of the body. Up dog. Straighten your hands, look up. Exhale. Down dog, Dhamukha Svanasana. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Lift your right side up. Stay there. 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, right foot comes between the palms, warrior 1. Exhale, warrior 2. Virabhadrasana 2. Left leg is adjusted. Hands are parallel, right thigh is parallel to the mat. Look towards the right side. Inhale, Viparita Virabhadra. Place your left palm at the back of your left knee. Look at your right palm. Again, Virabhadra 2. Place your right elbow behind your left knee, right knee. Look towards your left palm. Now extend your left hand, ऊपर stretch करें and place your right palm next to your right foot. Look up. Now release your hands. दंडासन में आएंगे. अष्टवक्र नमस्कार कर सकते हैं. Knees down, chest down, chin down, hips are up, or you can move into Chaturanga Dandasana. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. 4-5 लंबी गहरी सांसें लें यहाँ पे. Now lift your left leg up, stretch. Inhale, left foot comes between the palms. And now move into warrior one. Left thigh this time is parallel to the mat. And exhale, warrior two. पीछे वाले लेग को एडजस्ट करें और लेफ्ट थाई ऐसे अगर ऊंचा है तो थोड़ा नीचे. लोअर योर हिप्स. लंबी गहरी सांसें यहाँ लेंगे. 4 से 5 लंबी गहरी सांस. Exhale, Viparita Virabhadra. Right palm is behind the right knee. Look at your left palm. Exhale, place your left. थोड़ा पैर को पास ला सकते हैं पीछे वाले पैर. Place your left elbow on your left knee. Extend your right hand above your ear and look at your right palm. Now extend your right hand again above. फिर से extend करें ऊपर और अपने बाएं हथेली को बाएं पांव के पास. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते रहेंगे. डीप ब्रीथ. Exhale. Now place your palms on the mat. Come into Dandasana. दंडासन में आए. अष्टवक्र नमस्कार कर सकते हैं. Knees down, chest down, chin down, जो मर्जी है. या चतुरंग दंडासन करें. Chest, knees and thighs are above the mat. Inhale, up dog. Exhale, down dog. Urdhva Mukha Svanasana. Jump or walk between the palms. Inhale, Ardha Uttanasana. Place your palms just beneath your knees. Look straight. Exhale, Hastapadasana. Forward fold. Inhale, come up. And back, Hasta Uttanasana. Exhale. Namaste. Very good. Now we are going to just sit in the laughing Buddha. Yeah? तो अपने पैरों को, फीट को थोड़ा सा इस तरीके से, ऐसे नहीं, ऐसे. Yeah? Sit as low as possible. Extend your hands. We'll do Kapalbhati Pranayama. Close your eyes. Breathe in, out. Breathe in, out. In. Squeeze the stomach inside towards the spine. Out. In, out. तेजी से करेंगे 10 बार. And exhale. Inhale. Straighten your legs. Now turn your left foot towards the screen. The right foot is towards this wall. Trikonasana में bend करेंगे. So just bend from your waist into Trikonasana. Hold any part of your right leg. Turn your chest towards the ceiling. Twisted triangle, Parivritta Trikonasana. Place your left palm next to your right foot. Twist. Keeping your legs straight. दोनों पैरों को जितना हो सके हम straight रखें. Slowly come up. Again, we will sit in the laughing Buddha. Turn your hands Sit in laughing Buddha. Close your eyes. Kapalbhati pranayam 10 बार. And open your eyes. Inhale, straighten your legs. Lower your hands. Turn your right foot towards the screen, left foot towards the wall. And let's bend from the waist to Trikona. Grab hold of any part of your left leg. Turn your chest towards the ceiling. Look up. Inhale, exhale, and now place your right palm next to your left foot. Parivritta Trikonasana, the twisted triangle. Inhale, come up, and Samasthiti. बैठ जाते हैं. We have been doing lots of standing asanas today. Let us do some body rotation. Turn your palms onto the knees. Take a deep breath in, go back, and exhale. Body rotation from the right side. As you bend forward, exhale. As you go back, inhale. Come to the center, the opposite direction. दूसरी दिशा में body rotation. And come to the center. Now tuck your thumb inside the fist. Shalabhasan करेंगे. Right leg. Place your chin on the mat. Place your fist next to your thigh. मुट्ठियां जांघों के पास. Lift your right leg up. Lying down on the stomach. Shalabhasana, दायां पैर. Point your toes away from the body. Don't bend your legs. तो नी बेंड नहीं करना है, एकदम सीधा. And lower down. Lift your left leg up. At least 6 to 8 inches above from the mat. And lower down. Now tuck your fist in the upper portion of your groin, upper thigh, and lift both the legs together. Join the feet. Legs are straight. Purusha Shalabhasana. Chin is on the mat. Keep breathing. 5 to 6 deep Ujjayi breaths. And lower down. Place your hands. Now place your palms just beneath your shoulders. Elbows are touching to the body. Lifting Bhujangasana. Look up. And lower down. Hanumanasana करेंगे. Stretch your hands above your head. Lift your legs, upper body. Support on your navel. Keeping your legs straight. पैरों को एकदम सीधा रखिएगा, बेंड नहीं करना. And lower down. धनुरासन करेंगे. होल्ड योर एंकल्स and stretch and lift your upper body, lower body. And relax. Now turn from your right side, lie down on your back, पीठ के बल लेट जाए. Lie down on the back. Raise your upper body, extend your hands, raise your lower body. बोट पोज. अगर बोट दिक्कत हो रहा है तो लेग्स को ऐसे बेंड करके भी कर सकते हैं. नवासना. 10 deep breaths here. And lower down. Now bend your legs. सेतुबंधासन करेंगे. Bend your legs. Place your feet next to your hips. You can catch hold of your ankles. अपने ankles को पकड़े and lift your hips up. And lower down. और आई थिंक आप दोनों कर सकते हैं. सर्वांगासन करेंगे यहाँ से. तो एक मोमेंटम के साथ एक बार देख लें. इस तरीके से शोल्डर स्टैंड करना है. तो पहले तो एक मोमेंटम बना लें ऐसे करके, और फिर एक मूवमेंट से पैरों को ऊपर एक्सटेंड करें. होल्ड योर वेस्ट विथ योर हैंड्स. सर्वांगासन. अगर ये नहीं हो रहा है, नहीं हो पा रहा है, तो सेतुबंधासन, इससे पहले जो किया था हमने वो आसन करें. Shoulder stand. You can tuck your chin between the collarbones. Legs are straight. Now slowly lower your legs behind your feet, behind your head. अगर इस तरीके से जमीन पे टच नहीं हो रहा है कोई बात नहीं. अगर आप ऐसे हैं, अगर आपके फीट ऊपर हैं तो भी कर सकते हैं. हलासन. And slowly again come into Sarvangasana. And from here, सर्वांगासन से एक बार देख लें. सर्वांगासन से आपको राइट लेग, राइट फुट आपको जमीन पे रखना है और लेफ्ट फुट ऊपर और फिर लेफ्ट फुट नीचे. सेतुबंधासन का मॉडिफिकेशन इस तरीके से आपका ऊपर रहेगा. हिप्स. And slowly release your hands, come down and relax. Extend your legs and relax. जितना हो सके करेंगे. Just relax in Shavasana. Now bend both the legs together. Make a T with your hands. Palms on the mat. इस तरीके से एक T बनाए. Twist towards the right side. Look towards the left. Inhale, come to the center, twist towards the left side, look towards the right. Inhale, come to the center, and turning towards the right side उठ के बैठ जाते. Let us sit up. We will do modification of Vakrasana. Extend your legs ahead in front. Place your right foot next to your left knee. And Ardha Matsyendra करते हैं. हाँ, वक्रासन का next level है. Tuck your left foot beneath your right hip. Extend your left hand up and twist towards the right side. Place your left elbow behind your right knee. Twist, look back. You can also hold your ankle like this and look back. अपना पीछे हाथ का सपोर्ट लें. अर्ध मत्स्येंद्र. Slowly come to the center. Now the other side. फिर से अपने पैरों को extend करें. Place your left foot next to your right knee. Tuck your right foot beneath your left hip. Okay. Now extend your right hand above. Twist towards the left side. Place your right elbow behind your left knee. Hold your left ankle or left foot. Twist. इस तरीके से पीछे. Inhale, come to the center. आराम से बैठ के पर्वतासन करें. Extend your hands above your head, biceps touching the ears. लंबी गहरी सांसें लेते रहें. सांस अंदर लेने पे रीढ़ की हड्डी को एकदम सीधा और करें. Keep deep breathing, deep inhalation, exhalation. And relax. योगा मुद्रा करेंगे. So like this you catch your hand behind. हाँ, the right wrist को हाथ को इस तरीके से पकड़ेंगे left hand से. हाँ, take a deep breath in, go back and bend forward as much as possible. Yoga mudra. Try to touch your nose to the mat. Down. Keep breathing. जितना हो सके आगे झुके. Come up. भ्रामरी प्राणायाम. आंखें बंद रखें. Close your index. Close your ear lobe. एक ईयर के पास, एक कान के पास, कान के छिद्र के पास एक छोटा सा मसल होता है, उसको प्रेस करें. And as you breathe in, press your earlobe, and as you breathe out, make a sound of a honey bee. का sound करेंगे. Breathe in. As you breathe out, make the sound of a honey bee. 5 बार करेंगे. And relax. Release your hands. Place them on the knee. और विश्राम करें. लेट जाएं. शवासन में विश्राम करेंगे. Spread your legs apart. Spread your hands apart. Turn your palms towards the ceiling. Relax in Shavasana. शरीर को ढीला छोड़ दें, पूरी तरह शवासन में विश्राम करें। Become aware of your legs. अपने पैरों के प्रति सजग हो जाएं and relax your legs. ढीला छोड़ दें, विश्राम दें पैरों को। Become aware of your abdomen, chest. Relax your abdomen and chest. Become aware of your shoulders. कंधों के प्रति सजग हो जाएं। Your shoulders and hands, fingertips. Relax your shoulders, your hands and fingertips. Turning to your right side, दाईं ओर मुड़ के उठ के बैठ जाइए, आंखें बंदी रखिए। अब हम एक छोटा सा ध्यान करेंगे पूज्य गुरुदेव की आवाज में। आराम से बैठ जाइए। Let us meditate in पूज्य गुरुदेव voice. आंखें बंदी रखिए।
Let's do short meditation. आराम से बैठ जाइए. Let's have our spine erect, body relaxed. आंखें बंद रखें. Let's close our eyes. Become aware of the space in front of your face. आंखें बंद है मगर फिर भी मन चेहरे के सामने है. एक गहरी सांस लीजिए. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. Honor your own body. अपने ही शरीर को मन ही मन सम्मान करें। यह एक देन है, आपको मिली हुई है। Become aware of 1 foot of space in front of your body. Your breath is also right here. You are breathing into this space of 1 foot in front of your body and breathing in from there. शरीर के सामने 1 फुट दूरी तक की जगह को मन ही मन स्मरण करें। यहीं से आप सांस ले रहे हो, यहीं पर छोड़ रहे हो। अब 1 फुट से लेके 3 फुट दूरी तक अपने मन को आगे ले जाओ। Just become aware of 3 feet of space in front of you, or 1 meter of space in front of you. अभी 1 फुट से 3 फुट दूरी तक की जगह पर अपने मन को रखें, अपना ध्यान रखें उधर। अब मन को उसी तरफ दौड़ाइए। 10 फुट दूरी तक मन जाए आगे, और आगे जाए, और आगे जाए। Let the mind or your attention move further than 3 feet. Move to 10, 15. Let it move forward. And take your mind up to 100 feet of space in front of you. Our mind is elastic like rubber. Stretch your attention all the way to 100 feet. Now from there you keep coming closer to you, to your body, little by little. सौ फुट दूरी तक अपने मन को आपने दौड़ाया। अब धीरे धीरे उसको आने दीजिए। Let your mind retrieve back to your body slowly from the 100 feet of space. Your eyes are closed, body relaxed. Take a deep breath in and let's chant Om. You're filling the space in front of you with the sound or vibrations of Om. हमारे सामने जो जगह है उसको ओंकार के ध्वनि से हम भर रहे हैं। फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए। रिलैक्स, विश्राम करें। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते विश्राम करें। फिर एक गहरी सांस लीजिए। ओमकार की पवित्र ध्वनि से हम वातावरण को भर दे रहे हैं। Let's keep our eyes closed. Let us fill this space with the vibration, positive vibrations of Om. Om means love and peace. Another deep breath in. अब धीरे धीरे अपना ध्यान को पास लेते आए, अपने सांस पर रखते जाए। Let's slowly bring our attention to our breath and our body, the front portion of our body. Now let's take our attention through the body to the back of the body. Feel as though you have an aura behind you, or just become aware of the space behind you. Now bringing the mind through the body to the back side. Become aware of the back of the head and back, your spine and shoulder blades, the entire back. धीरे से अपना ध्यान शरीर के पीछे लेके आएंगे। शरीर के पीछे अपना मन को रखें। जैसे हवा सब जगह घुसती है, ऐसे मन तो और सूक्ष्म है। शरीर के भीतर से मन शरीर के पीछे की ओर चल पड़ी। अब शरीर के पीछे 1 फुट दूरी तक की जगह पर अपने मन को स्थापित करें। अब सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें और सिर के ऊपर विशाल गगन है, इसका स्मरण करें। Now let go of all your effort and become aware of the vast sky above your head. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें और विश्राम करें। मन जहां जाना चाहे जाने दे उसको। Whatever thoughts are coming in the mind, just let them come. Wherever mind wants to go, let it go. You are simply relaxing right this moment. सब प्रयत्न छोड़ दें और विश्राम करें। मुस्कुराते मुस्कुराते विश्राम करते। This moment there is nothing to do and nothing to know either. Just let go of all your efforts and simply relax. ओम शांति शांति शांति। शरीर और परिसर के प्रति सजग हो जाए और धीरे से सांस लीजिए और सांस छोड़ते छोड़ते आंखें खोल सकते हो। Become aware of your body and surroundings. Take a deep breath in, and as you breathe out, you may open your eyes.
जय गुरुदेव। तो आज का सेशन इज ओवर। आई होप यू हैड अ गुड टाइम। ठीक है, फिर कल मिलते हैं। कल आई थिंक नीतू जी होंगे। हाँ, चलिए फिर। जय गुरुदेव। बाय बाय आरती जी, बाय कार्तिक।
जय गुरुदेव। बाय।